Today we're dipping a 5, right?
Is you ready?
Yes, sir.
Let's get to it then.
Fuck it, let's do 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's time to kill, man. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Little shoulder. I think it's because of the exercises yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday was chest, my nigga.
1, 2,
Chest and shoulders.
4, 5, 6, 7.
Can take a break then. So you're already halfway though.
Yeah,
Halfway. So this is where now the elevator, and you know when they talk about the elevator?
Yeah.
There's that incline when you're about to reach the top there, you know what I'm saying? This is where we going now, you know what I'm saying? Let's go, cuz.
All the way to the top.
Battle it up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Take that break, take that break, take that break. Straight through it, you know what I'm saying? They see it in your eyes, man. They see it in your eyes. Last week you said you wasn't pumped yet. You get in there, so.
I see your eyes.
Yeah, bro.
I see your eyes.
Shoot them this way, my nigga.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Today we're dipping a 5, right? We're dipping a 5, right?
Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to 10 now, right? Damn, who's crying now?
Yeah, dog.
Yeah. Let's go. 6. Do them on your knees. You can do them on your knees. 7, 8, 9, 10. Get the mat in. Get the mat in. Okay. Save your pants.
Yeah. That nigga won't strap so the How do you do?
Yeah. Nothing impossible is nothing, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. What was that quote of yours yesterday?
What?
If you're gonna do it, go all the way.
Yeah. Otherwise, don't even try. Otherwise, don't even try by Charles Bukowski. If you are going to try, go all the way, bro. They showed him. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Woo!
Which one are you in now? Which now?
He's going to 12 now.
Crazy, right? Yeah, it is. Shit ain't a joke.
It ain't no joke, believe me. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
It's not crazy. It's crazy with the shot.
7, 8, 9, 10. 1.
Face down.
We'll take them shorties too.
Face down. Face down.
Shake it off.
I'm a land from 90 now. With my face down. Whew. That's when you feel it more. Yo.
Nash is pumped.
Yes, sir. Yeah, that's quick.
0 to 100 real quick, you know what I'm saying? Let's go. 1,
What's that?
2, 3,
Sure.
4,
It's in the crusher.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3. Get in there. Last 2 sets.
Sweating and shit. It's on top. That top part, yeah. Get somebody with nails to open it for you on time.
Let's go.
Maybe at 14 then.
Yeah.
14 then the last one.
Yeah.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4. Almost there, almost there. You almost there. You almost there, bro. Right there. Don't worry. Don't even sweat it.
Sweat.
Don't even sweat it. Let's go.
What's up?
That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that was it, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, how was it? How was it?
Shit was killer, bro.
Yeah.
Damn.
If you ain't sweating, you ain't working, you know what I'm saying?
My nigga.
If you ain't sweating, you ain't working. They can see it on you.
I'm drenched up in this motherfucker, man. Shit. Hey, but you know what they say? If you're gonna start, go all the way. Otherwise, don't even start at all.
Indeed, indeed, indeed.
So maybe we're gonna hop on these ones.
Indeed.